Hello, my name is Dr. Tahir Aziz. I'm your instructor for this COSP201 app in Android app development class. I'm very excited to be here, and I would like to post several videos. Mostly the videos will be very brief, maybe 1 to 2 minutes in duration, just to give you guidance for each week. In this welcome video, I would like to show you some of the resources we have on the Canvas site. Many of you probably have used Canvas site before, and for some of you this is the first time. So when you log onto the Canvas site, you will see COSP201. Our section number is right there, 50722, and you will see some of these additional resources are accessible on the left panel right there. I have divided our class into 5 weeks. You can see week 1 right here under week 1. You might see there are a lot of resources available, but mostly these are informational or some of the things we have to install on your computer for the first week in order to start our class. And I'll be providing you detailed information about the resources for the class, such as what websites we'll be using, what software we'll be using, and so on and so forth. In this video, I will not be going into details about the resources. I'll be providing you more information later. In this video, I'll show you, if you would like to contact me, there's a link over here, and the textbook is available to you. Here's the textbook link. You can download it. It's a PDF file. I have some book resources right there, and as I indicated, in order to install the software, and what exactly the software looks like, I'll provide another video explaining that one. There's a discussion forum where you can post something about yourself. You can click that one and you can provide your personal, academic, and professional goals if you like, and you can communicate with other peers on this under this forum. I have a tutorial for the week 1. This is the tutorial directly from our cloud computing website. I'll provide more information about the tutorial in the next video. And here is our project. As you can see, the due date for project is indicated right there. The project is worth 50 points. It's due by June 17th. And our class starts, I believe that June 13th or so. So maybe, let me check the date. The class will probably start. I believe the class begins on June 13th, I believe. All right, so under week 2, I'll be adding additional resources, some videos as well. Here's week 2. We have 2 projects due in week 2. Under week 3, we have 2 projects due as well. Under week 4 and 5, we have 2 projects due. And then we will have the final exam in week number 5, end of week number 5. So these are some of the resources I have added, and hopefully I can add additional videos and resources for you. Thank you very much, and I'll see you very soon.